Where are we off to today?
We're going to Mongkok and we're going to hit the street.
So we're on a mission today to find trainers.
Yep, and you getting a memory card as well?
So I need to get some memory cards and some, I don't know, maybe some cosmetics that we need to buy, just to show you how manic it is. One of the things I wanted to try out here was one of these things. See it everywhere on Instagram. Apparently you have to try one. Gonna try it first?
No, go, because yeah, but you eat anything. You love it. You love everything. Is it good?
It's an egg wafer.
Is it good? Really?
It's just plain wafer.
Oh, let me try. I like that.
As you can see, it's really manic. Alright. Rich managed to get his trainers. 2 trainers. Unexpectedly, I found a new camera. I'll show you later what it looks like. But that was an unexpected purchase. So yeah, can't wait to show you that soon. It's amazing. And I haven't even checked on Google to see if it's a good price yet, but I'm hoping it is. And he gave me loads of freebies as well, so well worth it. So we're gonna head back to have some dinner. We're gonna go get some dim sum. Hopefully it's still open because it sometimes closes at 5. So we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Invincible.
Well, I don't know what else to tell you. Do you want some spinach? Hello, so we're back at the hotel. As promised, I was going to show you, well, I said earlier I was going to show you what I bought today unexpectedly. So we saw this at the window, went in, got suckered in, and unfortunately I looked online and it is, I bought it for the list price, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you what other stuff he put in there. So first of all, this is what I got. It's a new camera. It's a Nikon 1 J5. Never heard of it. I was actually eyeing up the Canon, but for some strange reason I just fell in love with this one. So I'll just show you. I always wanted like a selfie cam and actually just something to kind of do easy filming for cooking and everything like that. So just to show you how it works, I hope I'm capturing this very well. So you touch it, it takes a picture. Yeah, it's really good. I haven't played with it much. Obviously just got back as soon as after we had dim sum, but yeah, no, it's got built-in Wi-Fi. I can't really say any more than that because I really don't know. I mean, the manual's in Chinese, so I guess I just have to download it online. Okay, so not forgetting that I did get this list price. Oh, I think someone's here with ice. Sorry, we ordered ice. So what else did he give me? So he gave me a 34 gig memory card, which is in there. Got me a free screen protector. Got me a massive stand, which I guess I'm really trying to justify as being great, which it is actually, because I don't have one. I usually borrow my sister's one. And then I also got a free bag, a camera bag, which my sister always wanted for her camera, and a random plate which I don't particularly get, is a Mickey Mouse plate. Anyway, so yeah, really happy with it. I can't wait to play with it. I'm gonna obviously take this to Philippines tomorrow, and we'll test and see how good it really is with the autofocus. I think that's my biggest thing, and also just generally just color, lighting. Really not a camera person, but it looked really good. So there's my new purchase. Bye. Just getting ready to go to this place called BBQ. Rich and I actually have been to Hong Kong before, and we lived out there for about 6 weeks, or lived out here for 6 weeks, and we've... Yes, I know my hair's sticking out and my lipstick is probably bodged, but don't forget, it's not a makeup video with Leslie X, it's a food diary, alright? Found this place where we used to live called BBQ, and it's got amazing like tapasy stuff, and like for example foie gras and toast, and like what do you call it, seafood, razor clams and all that sort of thing. Very casual, very kind of low-key place. Just thought, you know what, we never know when we're going to come back to Hong Kong, so yeah, look forward to eating there in a few moments, and can't wait to show you as well what we are going to eat again. See ya, bye. Right, what are we having? Where is it? There we go, I found it.
Hello. Excited to eat?
I didn't think I was that hungry, but like seeing this, I could eat.
You want to try a beef thing? I mean, that is
Beef croquette.
hot. No way, really?
You know in Dam,
Yeah,
like the, what do you call it, from the dispenser machines?
yeah.
It's like that. That one.
Oh.
Okay, so we need to take a moment's silence because
Oh god, this beef croquette. I'm still sucking the beef croquette. Fucking good, man. Here we go.
I don't want it to end.
Foie gras toast.
I haven't even started yet.
I know. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh. God. Yeah. Good.
You know why it's good?
Why?
Because the toast is like garlic toast.
Oh, is
Garlic
it?
buttery, and then the foie gras is sweet, creamy.
Would you eat that on the winter's warmest day? Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat yours?
Yeah.